Well, I don't understand it, but everything seems to be working fine now, so, beats me. And this is stressing it out, so... This is a good movie. This isn't a DVD, it's a media file. It's an MPEG. So for it to be as smooth, the video card and the CPU is going like crazy. And no whining noise. And how hot is it in the apartment now? It's 77. I wish you could hear the surround sound on a computer. Nothing beats it. Better than any home. You'd have to buy a $2,000 Bose system. Yeah, baby.